Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we discussed about what are the different package managers available in the Linux operating system and what all are the distributions are available. So in today's video, I would like to cover what is the yum repository and what is the yum package manager, how to install the softwares, how to manage, how to update, all those things I will cover. Basically, the Linux operating system will be provided multiple utilities to manage the softwares. They are yum package manager, RPM, apt-get, dpkg, and even dnf, and one more thing which is called make install from the source. Okay, so using all these package managers, we can do a couple of things. Those are, we can install the softwares, we can update the softwares, we can remove the softwares, and we can manage all the softwares in the Linux operating system. So if we can go to the any Linux operating system, by default, the package managers comes. Okay, we no need to install anything. Then in this video, we will focus more on M package manager. So it is RPM based Linux system, such as it will be supporting for Red Hat Enterprises, CentOS, Fedora, Oracle, and so on. Okay, so let's see what are the commands are available in this RPM or M package manager, and what is the default location. We will see it. So here is the yum repository is nothing but it's one of the folder where it will be bundled all the softwares which is related for the particular distributions. If you can take Red Hat Enterprises RHL 7.9, then the repo will be bundled all the suitable versions of that RHL 7.9, and it will store into the one repository that will be storing, or we can setting up in the /etc m.repos.d. So this is the default location of the software, where the moment when we can apply or we can perform any command by using yum, first it will go and verify in this location /etc m.repos.d. Then it will check what are the repositories are enabled. It will try to check whether that is package available or not. Then only it will perform the activity. So here are the couple of commands which we are using frequently in our day-to-day work, when we can configure, when we can set up a new servers, or when we can do patch updates. So these are the couple of commands we need to learn. Okay, so let's play all these commands, how we can execute these commands. We can see it actually. Now I can jump into the server. So this is called one of the Linux server. First we need to check what is the default M repository means. So you can go to that /etc m.repos.d. So this is the default location of the M repository. Here see, there are two repositories are available. Let's see how this will be there. If we can go here, so this is that, if we can take anything. So the first thing is, this is the repository name, and this is, if we can put enable one, means this repository should be enabled, and the name of the repository is this, the one. Okay, then from this URL it will download the packages. That means, suppose if you want to download Git software, if you want to download for any software, so it will check in this one and it will try to download it. And this is syntax for key verification, which is called key, and priority, and these are some configurations. So like this, if we can go to the any repositories, first is in this repository, see here, if we can put enabled is equal to 1, means this should be enabled. That means then we can install any software. First it will come to here, it will verify where and all enabled is equal to 1, means that repository enabled. If enabled is equal to 0, means if we can try to enter any M command, that won't be come here and verify in this link actually. Okay, wherever enabled is equal to 1 is there, so that time if we can perform the M command, it will come to here, it will verify. If we can see enabled is equal to 1 means it will come to this location. By default automatically it will download the software. Okay, so this is how the repository will be. And the next thing, if you want to see that how many repositories are there here, there are two files are there basically. If we can perform mrepo list, this is the command which we can use to come to know what are the repositories are available. See here, this is the one repository, this is the another repository, this is the another repository. Okay, so in these three repositories, these many packages are available. Okay, so if you want to list the repositories, we can use mrepo list to list the repositories. And the next command is sometimes we are installing the packages, we are updating the packages, we are removing the packages. So it contains some catch will be created while performing all these commands. So that time it will reach to the 100%. Some configurations, if you can put df-h, so these are that file system is available. So /etc is one of the file system. If you can go to here, there will be a m repository. So here, if you can go to the m, here, there will be some catch will comes into the picture while installing this. So sometimes this will be reached to the 100%. So that is where after installation of this, you need to clear some catch. M clean all. So using this, it will clear some catches. As of now, nothing will be there. This is the catch actually. It will remove this catch. CD where M and catch, here is the M. CD M. So here it will be there some catch. Whenever it will be created, it will be deleted. Okay. So next thing is, we can suppose there are 10 or 15 repositories are there. We need to list or we need to see those repositories. We can use mlist also. So this is the one of these which we can use to come to know what are the repositories are available and what is the size of that repositories actually. What are the packages are available which is installed. Okay, so mlist will be it's list the packages which it is available in the particular repositories. Okay, so this is the one of the command. So if we suppose example, if you want to see 1 second, so if you want to see this, we need to search only particular thing grep git. If I want to see whether this package is available or not, see here. So in this available repositories, what are the packages are available, how many packages are available, we can able to see by using that mlist. If you want to search for only particular package from these packages, we can use pipe symbol grep. We can give that package name. Whether if you want to search for the Java, we can say how many versions are available. See, these many versions are available. So you can download what version do you need. Okay. So these are the packages which is available in these repositories. But if you want to see how many packages are installed in this server, so all these packages are available in the repository, but now I want to list installed packages in the repository. See here, if we can enter this, we can come to these are the packages are installed. Okay, see these many packages. How many packages means we can able to cover it actually. So we can use the same command pipe symbol wc-l, we can come to know 463 packages are installed. Okay, so mlist install means it will show only installed packages. mlist means it will show all the packages available. How many packages are available in the repo? Okay, so now if you want to install the particular package, okay, how to install the particular package, how to remove the particular package. Okay, so based on our requirement, suppose example, if I want to work with the Git, I need to install the Git software. Before that, if you can see git -- version, if you can enter, see here, there is a Git version is there actually. Okay, so now what we need to do, remove git, if you can. Okay, if you can enter this, it will delete the Git repository. Okay. So after that, if you can write, sometimes by default it will come, even if you can delete also, see nothing will be there. So yum remove git means it will delete at the git. Yum remove java means it will delete at the java. Okay, if java is installed, yum remove java, if you can enter, see nothing will be there. It is not install anything. So here you can see yum remove, if you can give the package name here, it will delete at what package we have given. Okay. So suppose say by mistake I have installed a couple of packages. I want to delete those packages. You can use yum remove. We can use it. Okay. So even yum history, if we can enter, right? So you can come to know what commands you have performed, what things you have done. Sometimes someone deleted that package. Who deleted? What are the commands you have done? See here. I have done these commands actually. Yum git remove star. Yum install git like this. So these commands I have performed actually as of now. This is the time and date. Okay, so this is the IDs actually. So sometimes someone deleted Java, someone deleted different packages. If you want to see yum history, we can come to it actually. Okay, so even I told one more command which yum, if you can enter, see this is the yum binary is available. Yum version, you can come to know what yum it is. Okay, see here, this is the yum version. So these are the command. Version is not available. So anyway, we'll check actually how it will be. And one more thing, how to see yum install git. If you want to install any package in the Linux, so Red Hat, CentOS, okay, so RPM based, if you want to install, you can use yum install git. Git is our package. Or if I want to install Java, if I want to install Maven, so even we can install multiple packages also from the single line. So time being, I'm installing only Git. I will show you later. So if I can try to enter this, so it is asking yes or no. Okay, so if I can enter, now see it is going to installing now. So once it is installed, that means what I told, the moment when we can apply this command, okay, when we can enter this command, first it will go to the /etc yum.repos.d. Okay, repos.d, it will go to the first this location and it will check what are the repositories. It will find enabled is equal to 1. Okay, it will check that and go to that link. It will download it and it will install it. So this is how the yum install command will do. Okay, so once this is installed, so here you can see if you want to install the Git has some dependency package modules are there. So Git core doc, Perl Git, okay, Git core doc, there are different. All these packages are installed, then only it will install actually. So these are the dependency modules, these are the Git. So you can check git --- version, you can come to an actual whether it is installed or not. Now see it got installed. Okay, so earlier I have used this command. Now what I have to do, I sometimes the people are using yum installed java -y they are using. Instead of giving manually, it will directly taken as a yes. Now if you can see, we no need to provide anything, directly it has taken. So now see here, we didn't provide any yes or no confirmation actually. This is only taken care. If you can go and check here. Okay, because in the command itself, we kept, yum install java -y. Y means by default, it's taken as a yes actually. So this is a command. So suppose if you cannot give this one example, if you want to do for Maven, so if you can enter, it is asking actually, see here, it is asking yes or no. So if you can put yes, it is working. If you can put no, it won't work actually. This is how it is going to install the packages. After installing the packages, if you want to mvn-version, we can see here Maven version 3.05, Java -version, we can come to know whether Java is installed or not, 17. Okay. So if you want to see the Java binary or Maven binary, which Java we can see here, this is a Java binary. which Maven. See here, this is a Maven binary. Okay, so this is how we can install the softwares. So if you want to delete the softwares, remove Java Git Maven. So 3 softwares I am going to delete now. See here, I'm going to deleting all these software. So now if you can say git --- version, so you can come to know, see here, version. Version is there because still some dependencies are not deleted. So that is where what you need to do, you should have to provide star. What is the git related starts with git, it will delete actually. Some dependencies also git code dc, these are not deleted actually. So that is where it's showing still version. Now if you can see this version, now it will be deleted. After that mvn-version, see here it got deleted. Java-version, it is there still. So we need to do remove java star. Okay, now we can install multiple packages at a time also actually. Install git java, these are the 2 packages I'm installing at a time. See here, and why? So here see git java, these 2 are installing now. So now if the package is already available, that means it won't install actually. Now again if you can try install git, enter, see it's already installed. Okay, loaded. No, don't such thing install on say. Install. Now see here, nothing will be there actually, it is already there. Install. Okay, see nothing will do, package is already available, already install the latest version. Okay, so this is how we can install, we can remove, we can see the repo list, we can clear the cache. Okay, these are the commands we can see. Now if we want to update any package, say example now git version is 2.40, if you can see cat space /etc m.repos.d, sorry, /etc os release. Now see this OS version is 2. Tomorrow the OS has been upgraded to 3. That time some packages will be upgraded also. Some packages, latest packages will be bundled in that version 3 repositories. So that time if any request come to update particular package, so you should have to give update package name. How to update the packages? Update package name I am giving git. So if the new version is available, it will be updated. See here, no packages marker for update. The git which we installed in this server, it is latest only. There is no latest version is available for updating. Okay, so you need to know how to update the package in the Linux. You have to use update the package name. But make sure before going to update, we need to discuss with our managers or take the confirmation. Then only we have to do for the upgrade. Okay, because if we cannot take any confirmation, if we can try to update, then there is something is happen. We need to responsibilities for that. Okay, this is how we can update for the package. And if you want to see the information about that package, git info, the package name, if you can give that git what version you have installed, the package name, what is the architecture, what is the bit of this, what is the version of this, what is the release, how much size it has taken to install, and from which repository is installed. This is the repositories. What is the summary and what is the URL from where it is downloaded, and what is the license, what is the description for this. Everything it will be showing. Info, if you can put also, it will show it actually exactly. See the version will be like this. It's a repository, architecture, no architecture, and release size, how much size it's taken. All those things it will be given actually. Okay. Not only want to put for Java, if you want to see the everything, it will go, it will giving the all the information actually. Sometimes it won't given that because those are not matching. Okay, so this is how if you want to see that particular information package, we can able to see. And even if you can see that here history, now see what commands we have performed up to now. So up to now, we have performed these many commands. So we can see the history, we can come to know what purpose you have promoted. Install purpose, delete purpose. Okay, so we can able to see it actually. Then after that, suppose example, you want to install one package, you need to verify that package is available in this repository or not. Search is a command we should have to give the package name if you want to install. I want to install Python. Now you can see these many Python packages are available. What version you are looking, whether Python 3, whether Python 2, whether any other related version, you can check actually. Suppose if you can put here Python 3 also, you can come to actually see how many Python 3 versions are available, what exactly those actually. Okay, so if you want to check that Python 3 or any package, not only Python 3, if you want to check for that Jenkins also, whether the Jenkins is available or not, nothing is there. Whether if you want to check Sonar, so Sonar also not there. If you want to check for the Jira, okay, so Jira is available actually. There are few versions. If you want to check for that RCH search GCC, so this is one of that C compiler, whether this is available or not. So based on our requirement, before going to install, what version is available, whether that version is compatibilities with this OS or not, that we can verify using git search. We can give the package name. Sorry, search, we should have to give the package name. So using that search, we can able to see what versions are available, which version we are looking, whether it is compatibility with the OS version. Next thing, so how to configure that repositories? Okay, if you want to configure that repositories, there are two ways we can configure. The one thing is we need to take that ISO image, that means the folder which we need to looking, or which folder having that bundles, we need to keep into the somewhere, that means where www.html, under that we need to put it. Then after that we need to link to that some location, then we need to create the repository /etc m.repository. So here we need to take this existing file, we can put it as cp space -rp, we can give it as a, suppose this is called rhl8.repo, then you can go to this rhl8.repo example, you can put it. So same thing, one repo you can take it. Time being I'm putting in, I'm deleting remaining lines. So here if I want to put the name of the repository, I'm putting as a rhl8. Okay, then here I'm putting same name actually, rhl8. Then here the link we need to provide, or we need to provide one more like this also actually. The file or folder name also you can keep like this also. Here I can put /etc, or you can put a repos folder. This here we can put it as a folder name where the repo file is there, or the folder is there which is having that more packages. I will give that one more demo for this actually separately, how to create our custom repository. But this is a process, how to give the file name, a repo file name, the mirror list, how to give this instead of this thing, how we can provide this actually, that will check. Then make sure the enable should be 1 actually. Then these are not needed. Sometimes it is needed actually, because this is a default cloud provided repo. So more case, what is the name of the repo, what is that mirror list, and enabled, and gp check one, these only we are doing. But key nowadays we are providing to validate that key actually. After this you can enter. Now see repo list, if we can enter here, we can able to see it actually, rhl8. See here rhl8. Okay, here we can able to see it actually. Here see rhl8, there are 35 680 685 packages are there. Okay, the repository name we have kept RHL8 actually. So sometimes how to enable that repository, how to disable the repository. We know that repositories. Okay, suppose if you want to enable or if you want to disable, we can use m-config. Okay, -manager. You can put -enable what repository you want to enable, what repository you need to disable. Suppose I am putting this repository name as this one. Now see, this is enabled already. If I want to disable, it's disable. Okay, so enter. Now see, if we can enter, sometimes we need this, license for that M repositories actually. Now let's see actually. See here, earlier it was there at RHL8 is there. Now it is not there actually because we disabled that repository. Now if we can enable that repository, if we can try to see here M repo list. Now see here RHL8 is there. Okay, so that is where if you want to disable from this directly by using command, we can do it, or we can go to that /etc m.repos.d. Even if we can put RHL8, if we can put here enable instead of enable 0 also, if we can put now, it will be disabled. Now if you can see here mrepo list, it won't show actually. Okay, so manually we will disable, and we can use command also, we can disable it. And there is a one more scenario. So there are some security issues. So due to that, we need to update that particular packages, or we need to check once the OS upgrade is done, how many packages updates are available. So that time you can use mcheck, -update. You can enter this. You can come to know, see here, these many packages are available or not. Okay, so if you want to update, you can update this actually. You can try to give m update. It will update all the softwares actually. Okay, so this is about m. We will discuss next session RPM. What is RPM and how to install, how to update, how to delete, how to remove. We can see that. But in this video, how to see the repo list, how to clean that cache, clean all. Okay, so now see, it will deleted some cache to get that free space. After that, we can see what are the packages are available in the repositories, what are the packages installed in the server, and we have seen how to install the package, how to remove the package, how to update the package, how to see the package information, and how to see the history, how to search for the particular package, how to disable the package repository, how to enable the repository, how to check the updates for the repository. So these are the commands we discussed. Can you please go through it? Could you please like, share and subscribe? If any doubts, could you please ping me in my channel? So I will reply those questions actually. So thanks for watching.